Aaron? Aaron, you need to say hi. Look at here, Aaron. Look here. Say hi.
Hi.
Will you sing? Sing your ABCs. Sing. Yay! Sing Itsy Bitsy Spider. Go. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Soon came the rain and out! Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Yay, Aaron! Aaron, how old are you? No? 2. 2. 2. Look in here. Say I'm 2. Say hi.
Hi.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yay! You're 5.
ABC.